Hello, welcome to the Marketing Maverick podcast Inspyr Maleshwaram, where we dive into the latest trends and strategies in the world of marketing. I'm your host Kusuma Jairam, and in today's episode, we are unraveling the secrets of email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools for businesses to connect with their audience on a personal level. In just 3 minutes, I am going to share some key insights into how you can harness the power of email to drive engagement and boost your bottom line. First off, let's talk about the importance of segmentation. Gone are the days of sending mass emails to your entire subscriber list. Instead, focus on segmenting your audience based on demographic, behaviors, and preferences. By tailoring your messages to specific segments, you can deliver content that resonates with each individual, increasing open rates and click through rates. Next up, personalizing is paramount in digital's age. Consumers expect personalized experiences, and email is no exception. Use dynamic content and merge tags to address subscribers by their name and tailor your messages based on their past interactions with your brand. Personalized emails not only grab attention but also foster a deeper connection with your audience. Moving on, let's discuss the power of automation. With email marketing automation, you can streamline your workflows, save time, and deliver timely messages to your subscribers. Whether it's welcoming new subscribers, nurturing leads, or engaging inactive users, automation also allows you to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Last but not least, don't forget to optimize for mobile. With more people accessing their emails on smartphones and tablets, it's crucial to ensure that your emails are mobile responsive. From responsive design to concise copy, make it easy for recipients to engage with your emails on any device. And there you have it, folks, a crash course in email marketing in just 3 minutes. Remember, by segmenting your audience, personalizing your messages, leveraging automation, and optimizing for mobile, you can unlock the full potential of email marketing and drive results for your business. Thanks for tuning into today's episode of the Marketing Maverick podcast. Be sure to subscribe the more tips and insights into the ever evolving world of marketing. Until next time, happy marketing!